Hey y'all, welcome back. Lunchtime, let's talk about it. These are little chicken vegetable pot stickers from the frozen section of Walmart. 13 of these is 220 calories. This is some broccoli that I burnt in a skillet. And then I've got some basmati rice and a little bit of yum yum sauce to complete it. Now, this is something I threw together. What do I got here? And I'm having a Pepsi Zero Sugar. Anthony's home today. They got rained out. I love broccoli. Even when it's burnt. We got a Pop-Tart. So, Anthony's lost down to 308, is that right? Eating Pop-Tarts. Go figure. But this is good. I'm not complaining about this. How do you think you're doing it, Big A?
Not eating.
Huh?
Eating less.
I'm just eating less food in general.
Not drinking asthma pop.
What you been drinking instead of pop?
Water, Gatorade, or body armor.
So you cut out most of your pop. Ready for Gatorade and water and what?
My body armor.
Body armor. Hi, Lucy. This is really good. Hey, guys. I know, men lose it so much easier. It's completely unfair. I don't know why. It's a Pepsi Zero Sugar. He's doing good. I mean, it means we'll have to buy all new jeans and stuff again. The ones he has right now are falling off of him. I'm trying to be good today. We went out to Mexican yesterday for lunch, me and my girls. Kind of splurged a little bit. Had a taco salad. It was delicious. I ate the rest of it for dinner last night. Oh, honey. No. Stop, hun. So, we're both trying. So, hopefully, I can at some point catch up with him. But, in the meantime, I am going to love the body I'm in. Because I personally think if we can't get to that place, if I can't love me the way I am right now, losing the weight ain't gonna help. Hi, baby. Somebody said yesterday you need to dye your hair. I agree. I look like an old lady. No, I'm not an old lady yet. I'm walking around like one. My knee is blowed out right now. But I'm still up and moving. I'm gonna need a little bit more sauce. Thank you. I was gonna model that for you guys here in a little bit. I got rooster earrings. I got this apron and another apron and a cutting board and a sign and a little sunflower decor thing and a utensil holder and I think that's it. From a lady, from a follower. Oh Lord, hang on. Don't look. Oh God, hang on guys. I was using my Yum Yum sauce bottle to hold my phone up. Hang on. There we go. But anyway, so since Anthony's home, we're trying to get some much needed work done. Inside and out. Inside today is in need of attention. Anthony had cut some drywall the other day, and that stuff is like, I don't know, drywall dust is just, I don't know how to explain it. It just gets everywhere. Baby, I hear you, but you ain't getting none of this. So, you know, in my head, in my brain, I thought, you know, I'm going to plant all this stuff this year. And I'm going to grow all these things. And then we had all the excavator work done. And now it's like, you know, a mess out there. There's really no way to I don't know. I may still get some raised beds done this year. It's still early. I keep giving myself a hard time, but like it's still just now the beginning of May. I missed out on the early stuff like the cabbage and the cauliflower and the cold weather crops. But I can still plant some tomatoes and beans. Cucumbers. Y'all, I'm worried about my turkey. My turkey hen. So, let me explain, which Lord only knows why I do this to myself, because I realize I'm going to get crucified. But it's okay. So I had purchased some chickens. And it had nothing to do with the person I purchased them from. It's just chickens when they are transported. When they're transported and, you know, stressed out, their immune systems bomb. And so, some of the chickens that were recently brought here, I mean, I should have quarantined them. I knew to do that. And I should have done it. But they didn't have any signs of anything initially. But some of them have respiratory infection. And so we're treating antibiotics. But now my turkey has it. And I'm really hoping I can get her well. This is so good. I can't believe it's 220 calories in 13 of these things. That's crazy. That's crazy. So anyway, we're gonna go outside here in a minute. And give the turkeys medicine. I've got another chicken isolated down here as well. And we're going to give them some medicine. And then I've got another chicken I need to catch. And she needs to be soaked in Epsom salt because she's got a little pasty butt. a lot of people think that you just get these chickens, you just put them in a coop, you feed water them, and that's the end of it. No. There's a lot more to it. And I'm still learning all the ins and outs. But I want to keep my flock healthy. So. Anyway. I'm going to finish my lunch. Then we'll go outside. Linda, they're not starving and eat. No, it's not something that can be passed to the other animals. It's literally a chicken specific respiratory thing. And we'll just see what happens. Anyway, I love yous. I'm back in a little while. I think we're going to do some kind of a pasta, hamburger, sauce combination for dinner. And we're going to have strawberry pretzel salad for dessert. So I'll see you guys soon. And I'll try to share with you how we are doctoring the chickens. We'll see y'all later.